Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name's Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. In today's educational deep dive video, you guys are going to learn all about Bluzelle. And towards the end of the video, we are going to take a look at the weekly chart and we're going to see where it might be headed in the long term as well. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try out the same crypto exchange that I've been using for the last 4 years, feel free to go ahead and check out MEXC with the link in the video description down below this video. I personally love this exchange for one big reason, and that is I'm a huge altcoin nerd, and they have over 1,500 different altcoins for me to buy at any given time. Plus, they're always adding all kinds of new small caps on a regular basis. So when I'm doing research into a small cap that I really like, MEXC usually has it just about every single time, which is honestly one of the biggest reasons why an altcoin nerd like myself absolutely loves this exchange. All right, guys, so we've got quite a few core features here and use cases actually to get through with this one. So we will not waste any time, all right? So what the heck is Bluzelle? Well, here's the thing. On a very basic level, it's basically a decentralized data storage network that basically aims to provide a reliable and scalable solution for all kinds of decentralized applications. And it leverages blockchain, it leverages all kinds of blockchain principles to basically create a decentralized database that offers increased security, let's see here, availability and efficiency compared to traditional databases. Now, as far as key features are concerned, we've basically got 3 key features here that I will briefly discuss. Now, the first key feature that I want to discuss here is going to be decentralization. All right, basically, you guys, Bluzelle's architecture is basically built on top of a decentralized network of nodes. All right, basically eliminating the need for a central authority, which obviously ensures that, you know, data integrity and security as well. All right, now with security being the most important aspect in my personal opinion. All right, so that pretty much does it for the decentralization aspect. Now, the next feature that I want to talk about here is going to be sharding, okay? The network basically utilizes sharding to distribute data across multiple nodes, all right? Which overall enhances the scalability and enables parallel processing of data as well, which in turn results in faster transactions and improved performance as well. There's a lot of other chains out there that I wish would use sharding, to be realistic with you guys. Now, the last key feature that I've got here is going to be security, all right? Bluzelle's security measures, they've got security measures in place, such as encryption and authentication, which overall safeguards, you know, data on the Bluzelle network, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining the privacy and integrity of sensitive information, obviously. So now that we've got the features out of the way, we're going to go ahead and talk about some of the use cases, which to me is personally the most fun part. Now, the first use case is basically all about DeFi. Basically, Bluzelle can be applied in DeFi protocols for secure and scalable data storage, which is particularly crucial in DeFi applications where reliable access to accurate data is absolutely crucial. All right. Now, the next use case is all about the gaming industry, all right, because Bluzelle is pretty up there in the gaming industry as well. But in the gaming industry, Bluzelle's decentralized database enhances the gaming experience by providing efficient and secure storage for in-game assets, user profiles, and much more as well. Now, in my personal opinion, with the blockchain gaming space growing as much as it has been, this use case alone is extremely valuable for Bluzelle. Now, the next use case I've got is for supply chain management. Basically, Bluzelle's decentralized nature basically plays a huge advantage in supply chain applications by ensuring transparency and immutability of data literally at just about every step in the supply chain, which is honestly something that could be very beneficial for the supply chain industry. Now, lastly, we've got decentralized applications. This is where basically developers who are building decentralized applications can benefit from Bluzelle's decentralized database to store and retrieve their data securely, which is extremely useful for applications requiring real-time data access as well. All right. So guys, now that you guys know a little bit about Bluzelle and what it is and who it's for, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the weekly chart for Bluzelle and see where the BLZ token might be headed in the long term. All right, so let's go ahead and check this out. Now, for the holders out there, since there's a lot of holders out there, when I do these price outlooks for these specific tokens, I am looking at the weekly chart, because realistically, the hourly chart, the 4-hour chart, and even the daily chart, to be honest with you, does not matter whatsoever for a holder who's holding for the long term. All right, we are not trading this token. This is for the people who are holding the token long term. All right. Now, as you guys can see, my purple lines are my resistance levels and my orange lines are my support levels. All right. And we have got a trend here, as you guys can clearly see. We have just recently started, what a lot of people think is the new bull market coming and starting up here. And this could be the first leg that we had here. All right. This could be the first leg of this new bull market. All right. So realistically here, what we need to see here is we need to see a break above this 39-cent level to be able to go into the next range up here between 39 cents and 50 cents. And then once we are in that range, then we can even move even higher, but we'll need to break this. We'll need to clear this specific section here at 50 cents to get up to this level of, 66 cent area. And then obviously to break and make new all-time highs, we'll simply need to break through the 66 cent level and, continue to go higher. Now, if something bad were to happen, and let's say a black swan event happened, and crypto just ended up taking a nosedive for whatever reason whatsoever, realistically, the first support level we'll be looking at here is 22 cents. All right, this is major support level right here. All right, so basically we'll be looking at this support level, and if it does end up dropping down, I would assume that we'll end up hitting this support level, and we'll end up bouncing off of it and retesting this trend line right here. All right, now if this 22 cent level does not hold and there's just simply not enough momentum to get it to rise again, we could end up dropping straight through it and dropping and finding support at this level down here at 10 cents, or basically 11 cents, and then we would probably end up bouncing and probably retesting this 22 cent level, and then probably coming back down halfway or so, and then probably going up, retesting it again, and breaking through. All right, and that's typically, from what I've seen in the past years, that's typically usually how I see things go. All right, but that's only if we do end up getting some sort of like random black swan event or something like that. All right, so keep that in mind. But overall, we want to remain bullish because we all want to make money in this market, right? So we want to remain bullish, and we want to remain and keep thinking that we are just going to continue to head straight north instead. That's the overall goal here, guys. So other than that, overall here, you guys, in my personal opinion, Bluzelle basically represents a significant step forward in decentralized data management within the blockchain industry. Basically, its innovative features, diverse use cases, and benefits to scalability and security pretty much position it as a key player in the decentralized technologies world. And as blockchain applications continue to grow, Bluzelle's role in supporting their data needs is poised to literally become increasingly crucial, you guys. All right. Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in this video whatsoever, or anything that's related to altcoins or trading or anything like that, feel free to go ahead and reach out to me in my free community Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below this video as well. But overall here, guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But if you guys haven't already and you would like to, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey guys, with that said, thanks again for watching.